everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I'm sure you see a big mess here. I'm actually gonna start all over and give this a whirl one more time. Had a few little mishaps and setbacks here, but I'm gonna get something. Always get something. Just gonna mix up a little more black here. I'm gonna have a lot to pick up here from underneath. So that's gonna be fun. I'll be excited about that. I always love my little leftovers on the bottom. So let's just try, to work something out. I'll give you all my paints below. Yeah, so just gonna give this one last try. That's this Little Piggy. No, that isn't. I'm sorry. This is a mixture of three Colorarts that turns into this beautiful color. And you will see that down below. I'll be sure to list that. And this is this Little Piggy. And this is called Aspen. And that's all I have left of it. After, I don't know how many pours that I had here. But as you can see, that is a beautiful color. And I'm going to throw some, it's the last of my gold, my Aztec gold, mixed with my Liquitex ink. And this here is a this Little Piggy Nebula. I thought this was a gorgeous, beautiful color. Nice outer space color there. And last but not least, this is this Little Piggy, and it's called Ore, O-R-E, as in gold ore. And it is gorgeous, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so we have all those pretty colors. And I have one more green that I mixed up. These are all the greens that I had. And I just mixed them all up together. And I made one beautiful color. How about that? And doesn't that look like a, what does that look like? A gear. Okay, you think we can leave it just like that, maybe? So that looks like a beautiful gear. I'm gonna move this around a little bit. Move it from there to there, to there to there. All these shiny little colors. I wonder if we can get any negative space here. Oh, did I miss my what happened to my Comet? Did I finish that up? Oh, I must have finished it up in the last mess that I made here. Oh well. That's okay. Let's get that off the edge there. And let's get some off the edge the other way. Let's see if I can turn that around for you. Look at all that paint. We have a pool of paint down there. An absolute beautiful pool. Look at that go. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Pretty pool. Pretty lines. I'm getting some cool lines there. A little negative, I don't know. Do we need it? Maybe in one corner. We'll try and spread that out a little thinner. Think it'll go? I don't know. Let's see what we could do. To be honest with you, my arms are hurting from stretching and stretching all these things. Oh. Isn't that looking neat? Like that gold. I want to keep that there. I don't want to knock it off. And I like my little gold that I'm getting down here. So this is a little bit of what I wanted to get for my little gold doubloons for St. Patty's Day. Pretty cool. Lost my doubloons. Let's put this down and let that settle for a bit. Oh, here's my comet. Here's my comet. Stick it in there now. We need some paint over at this end here. Maybe we can. We need some paint over here. Look at that. Look at that. That needs some over there too. Some paint. And here. Okay, finally, a thumbs up for this, please. Yes, and please go see all the other ladies and that have participated in this and worked so hard to make this a success. This was not an easy task for me anyway, because I wanted it to be perfect, so I just kept changing it and changing it and changing it until I finally got to where I wanted it to be, which is this. I am so happy right now. You cannot even imagine, because this is something that is different. It's something that I'm proud of. I'm very proud of this. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Cynthia Porter Studios, for doing this for all of us. I really appreciate all your hard work, and your $50 gift card to Michael's for the winner. She wouldn't take anything I offered, but she didn't want to take anything from us. So thank you, Cindy. I hope this is a big success for all of us. So please give us a thumbs up. See all the people that are involved. I'm going to list them all down below. I think I'll probably start off with all the names, so you'll know exactly where to go and who to see. And I will take you in for a close-up to see all this gorgeousness, because this is the Emerald Isle, if there ever was one, and this is gold at the ends of a rainbow is a pot of gold, and this is the gold that you would get. Gorgeous. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Be well and have a great day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye now. There we go. Only got the shadow. It seems to get it's not sunny out today, so it's a little dark in my room. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I hate that you can't see all the beautiful sparkles in here. And that lacing, absolutely gorgeous. See the full effect. Really gotta see here. You have to see that gold. Look at that gold. Looks like veins of gold here. And that lacing. Absolutely gorgeous. Just a little longer view. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Emerald Isle, absolutely gorgeous.